Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today is another episode for the culinary expedition. Today we're in Bhutan, where I'll be preparing Jasha Maroo. Very simple dish, just like last night. Let's get to it. Oil's hot in the pan. Gonna add some shallot, some garlic, some ginger, and some hot peppers. We're gonna give them a quick saute. We're gonna add the chicken. This is about 12 ounces of chicken thighs. And 1 diced Roma tomato. The chicken is ready, just about ready, and we're going to add some chicken stock. Give it a quick stir. Bring this up to a boil. Then right back down into a simmer for about 20-ish minutes. And here we go. It's been about 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Looking like perfection. Smells wonderful too. On to the next step. And here's the final presentation of Jasha Maroo from Bhutan. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Be sure to like this video and please subscribe. Have fun cooking.